Hello दोस्तों, welcome to my YouTube channel Be a Programmer में. So today I have came up with a very good notification that is from Hawkins. You might have heard about Hawkins. Hawkins के बारे में सुना ही होगा. You might have heard about it. That it is a very famous company in pressure cookers. It sells it basic and it is a product based company and the main product is pressure cooker. Pressure cooker बेचती है. So today we will be seeing about this notification and the best part of this notification. Trust me, you are going to love this video because we have came up with a notification that is like if you want to work in sales department, marketing, softwares or hardware or anything. Suppose you are like think of anything and there is a job in this. Like if you want to go into law also, in legal also, there is a job. So we will be talking about everything in this video: how to apply, where to apply, what is the procedure. We will be showing you everything practically. So please hit that like button, like कर दो इस वीडियो को, and please go down and subscribe to our channel because we are coming up with these kind of videos on job notification, on job updates, interview tips and many things about career guidance also. So please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon too, so you never miss an update whenever we come up video. So you get a notification on your mobile phones that a new video is posted by Be a Programmer. So let's start with the video. So the very first step जो आपके दिमाग में आपको रखना है, सबसे पहला सबसे ज़रूरी step, that is whenever you are going to apply in Hawkins, suppose you are going to apply in Hawkins, you need to have one thing. एक चीज़ बहुत ज़रूरी है Hawkins में होने के लिए, वो भी written में होनी ज़रूरी है. Why do you want to get into this company? Why do you want to work in this Hawkins company? Why do you want to get in this company? ये क्या करना है ना, ये हमें एक पेपर पे लिखना है. We need to write this on a paper in 200 words. In 200 words we will write on a paper suppose, and we will scan और photos की खींच लो, click a photo of it, and you need to upload that when you are doing your application. I will show you where you need to upload, how you need to upload. I will be showing you everything practically. So let's see what is the first step. The first step is paste this link. This link will be also provided in a description, so you don't need to worry about that, and it is also like posted on our Telegram channel. So please join our Telegram channel too. This is the official notification. It is a Hawkins. You can see that hawkinscooker.com. It deals basically in cooker, so hawkinscooker.com, and Futura is the basic company. So as you can see that management trainee, this is the basic job role, and I will show you one thing that like you can see that remuneration per annum, that is your package. What will be it? Suppose you are going into training, because जब भी आप recruitment में आपका होगा, first step after selection, the very first step is that you will go into a training process में आप जाओगे. So at that time what is your package? The package is of what, 8 to 10 lakh package is there on, and after confirmation 10 to 12 it will be increased to 10 or 12. So what are the job roles? So as you can see on my screen that the job roles, you can see that the job roles are sales and marketing, the very first job. If you want to go into sales and marketing, accounts and commercials, if you want to, suppose you are from BCom or anything related to accounts and commercials, you can apply in this. Suppose you want to get into legal, suppose you have done your like BLLB or BBLLB, suppose you have done your BBLLB, और आपको एक लॉ की फील्ड में लीगल्स में घुसना है, सो यू कैन अप्लाई इन दिस. ह्यूमन रिसोर्स HR में अप्लाई कर सकते हो, एग्जीक्यूटिव टू सीनियर मैनेजमेंट. Suppose you are from engineering, you can apply in this. You are a programmer, suppose you have some programming experience or you know programming very well, you can apply in this. C++, C#, Visual Basics, Java, HTML, Python, Android, everything is in this company. So I will show you how to apply. I will choose any of it. Suppose I am going for programmer. Suppose I will click on apply button, and this page will redirect me to this page. This is the page, and here what you need to do, I will show you one thing. This 7th step, I have told you that you need to write one thing. What you need to write? Reason why I am interested in this job. You need to write a reason on pen or paper. एक hard copy एक written में चाहिए. We need a written in 200 words. We need to write why do you want to. You need to write some reasons why do you want to enter into this company, and you need to scan that and upload here. So that was it. I was telling about कि इसको लिखना क्यों. Why do you want to write this? Why do you want to write in hardware? So it can be some eligibility or shortlisting criteria that many of you will not suppose मैं बहुत ढेर सारे लोग हो जाते हैं और कई लोग ये अपलोड ही नहीं करते हैं, इतना बॉदर नहीं कर रहे हैं, अपलोड नहीं कर रहे हैं. So by this method Hawkins will come to know कि कौन कौन ज़्यादा सीरियस है. सो ये चीज आप जरूर कर लेना, प्लीज डू दिस स्टेप. So there are the basic steps. What I will do, I will enter my name. So these are the things that I need to upload: this name, number, and what biodata. Biodata is basically the resume. And what I need to do, I need to upload the biodata, that is my resume, and my handwritten, that I have told you that why do you want to get into this company, you have to write in 200 words and you need to upload it. I will finish all this and I will show you one thing, that what message comes, I will show you everything practically. So as you can see on my screen that I have completed the application process. I have uploaded my resume, and by I have just uploaded, I have not written anything. This video is just for demonstration. मैं बस डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन दे रहा हूँ कैसे आपको अपलोड करना है. बस यहाँ पे चूज फाइल एंड यू नीड टू क्लिक ऑन दिस अपलोड बटन. सो इट विल अपलोड. दिस इज द बायोडेटा वन. दिस वन इज बायोडेटा, this resume. And the second thing, this one is your, like, why do you want to get into this company, why you are interested in this job. So this all things I have uploaded, and I will click on my and then you need to click on this resend OTP. It will send your OTP and a verification is done, so that it can check that you don't upload many, like from one mobile number or from one email only. You don't upload many things. I will click on submit application. See, after the submission process, after I have clicked on the submit button, I will get my application ID, and this ID will be also sent to your mobile number. I will attach the mobile number screenshot also on the screen. As you can see, this is the whole process, like how can we apply. So as we applied for the programmer, this one, if you are going for anything, if you are going for HR also, you need to apply this. These simple steps are there, same steps are there, so you don't need to worry about that. And these are the simple steps that you need to focus upon. And the basic thing is that reasons, you need to write the reasons are very important. So this was all about the Hawkins recruitment. I have shown you everything practically, and as you have seen in this video, that there are many job updates and many roles are there in Hawkins. So you can apply in any roles whichever suits you. So it is a best job role. If you are going for programmer, if you are going for sales and marketing, if you are going for engineering, if you are going for accounts and commercials, you can apply in anything. And the major part is that you need to write the reasons why. You need to write the reasons in 200 words in the copy, and you will scan that and upload that on the portal, as I have shown you on the application process. So this was all about this video. If you like this video, please hit that like button and go and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon too, so you never miss an update, because we are coming up with these kind of videos that is about job notifications, about job interviews, about interview tips, about career guidance, about making money online. We are coming up with many videos. So please hit that subscribe button and bell icon too, so you never miss an update. We will meet you in the next video with some more informative topics, because we are going live on the Instagram also and on the Telegram channel. Please join our Telegram channel, because we are posting many materials and many job updates there also. So consider joining that, so you never miss an update, because many notification comes and बहुत टाइम नहीं होता, तो उस समय हम Telegram पे, Instagram पे we post a video or a story or a notification there also. So just join our Telegram channel. We will meet you in the next video with more informative topics. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.